this just came in the mail. Right, it's really impromptu. I didn't expect it for today, but as you'll see in the title of the video, it's something really cool. Right? I ordered these on Friday. Today's Sunday. Right, so these came really early. Didn't expect such a quick delivery. This won't be the usual. This is just gonna be a one take video because these are like one of my favorite pairs or types of shoes. And there you go. Pair of Clarks, right? Now, I don't know if you could pick up the Jamaican in the way how I speak. If not, that's just how it is. But these are huge in Jamaica, and these are actually very versatile, right? So I got myself a pair of desert boots from Clark's, right, in the chestnut leather color. I had a previous pair of Bushacre 2s, right? But what I saw in the store was that you get a higher quality leather with the originals. So I said, you know what? Let me just bite the bullet and break that bread and get the higher quality shoe, right? So, I mean, my last desert boot, the Bushacre 2s, they were in the beeswax color. It's the most popular color, but I don't really like the variations in the color that some people like it, but to me, I like my shoes to be uniform in color, right? And these should be able to take like treatment better, like, you know, if you need to condition your shoes or, you know, get them back, keep them in good care. So anyway, on to the star of the show. Oh yeah, I don't know if I highlighted it. I showed it, I didn't highlight it. So I got the size 10, right? Now, in the Bushacre 2s, I got 10 and a half, but my shoe size is actually size 11. Now, going half a size down, it was a good idea, but I still had extra room. So, you know, you had just a few creases on top, whereas if it was a bit more snug, but still comfortable, you wouldn't have as many creases. So, this should be the right size. All right, flip the top. Here we go. As I said, it's a one take, no heavy editing. Can you tell I'm excited? So, upon opening, right, here you go. Oh my goodness. These, my friends, are what I've been waiting for ever since when? Thursday? Friday? Friday, yeah. So just 2 days actually. We're supposed to be here on Wednesday, then the date changed. But anyway, all right, let me give you a quick 360. All right, nice and clean. All right, and all the way around, as you can see here, the originals, right, tag, and also the crep sole. Now this leather here, it actually does feel a bit higher quality than the Bushacres that I had before. It's something that you just have to feel, right? Now with these, if you look on the insides, oh my goodness, I love these. Right, the difference on the inside here, you see the Clark's originals, right? On the insides, where the heel cup is, I don't know if that's gonna pick up on the camera. Yeah, inside here, it's a nice if I move my finger along, I would say suede, because the texture changes. You can see it in the color of the texture. And inside here is like a rough leather, like the back part of the hide, the back part of the skin of the cowhide, right? So let me see. On the inside, let me just pull these laces. Right, on the inside, just checking to see if there are any major differences. Right, so this section of the shoe, I don't know what's it, the midsole, the insole, sorry, yeah, I don't know, I have an next brain for it. It's actually made of some type of leather, right? So, as you know, leather has antibacterial qualities and you have a lower chance of your feet smelling bad, you know. Leather is just a really good material overall. The material at the top, it's like a stiffer kind of material. I think it's this light color piece right here that you're seeing, right? On the, yeah. So you have this top piece, then you have this piece right here, right above the crepe. So that's what you actually step on. What's good about them is that I've read that they can be resold, right? So there's always that, right? So after a while, these should get some great character to them with wear. Expect a great patina over time. And as you know, it's classified as a trucker boot, right? But I don't know. I prefer calling them desert boots, the original name. So these were the first. The Clarks were the first to design shoes like this. So that's why I always feel going with them for a pair of desert boots because they were the originators. Also, as you can see here, two eyelet construction, simple shoe, but very versatile, especially with this color here. Let me see on the inside here. Let's see. Yeah, so this one here is also made in Vietnam. They've moved most of their production over to that side of the world. So I guess deliver good prices, but the quality feels pretty good. As a matter of fact, as I said before, it feels like higher quality leather than the previous Bushacre that I had. So if you can step up to the originals, you'll always get a good deal, right? So anyway, guys, let me just take out the other foot so you can see both of them beside each other. Ah, gosh. Alright, tuck in the laces, everything's neat. Alright, so there you go. Clark's Desert Boots in all their glory. Alright, next 360 of both of them. And the chestnut leather, it's like a really deep color. Like you could tell that these are going to age really well. Alright, so there you go, the final look see. Alright, I'll be updating you guys on how they wear and maybe like how they fit and everything in our next video. But I mean, I had other ones in mind before getting into this, but I mean, come on, new shoes. I had to just let you guys know. Alright, so thanks again for watching another Modern Gent video. Until next time, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys? Until next time.